Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very healthy recipe using rice flour and barley. It's a lemon pound cake. Do try it and watch the video till the end.
So let's start with the recipe. First we need half cup of rice flour. I'll be adding this rice flour to a mixie jar. The mixie jar should be completely dry. Next add half cup of barley powder. To this add 2 tablespoons of rava or semolina which you use for normal cooking and half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then give a couple of churns so that all the ingredients are mixed well. Then for wet ingredients we need 3 eggs. If you want to make an eggless version of this cake, you can take 3/4 cup of curd instead of it. And now I am adding 3/4 cup of cane sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now mix all the ingredients well in such a way that you can find a nice thick lather in your mixture. Now pour this batter to a bowl. Then I'll be adding 1/4 cup of warm milk and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We are using very less butter, that's sufficient for this cake to be moist. And this is a very healthy cake because we are using healthy flour like rice and barley. Now nicely mix all the ingredients so that they blend well with the butter and milk. And once you have done this, grate the lemon zest. And once you finish grating this lemon zest, only from the surface, which will give a nice flavor to your cake and it will give a nice smell. And you can squeeze the same lemon, and we need juice of 1 whole lemon for this cake. Then add the flour by increment. First I am adding half the flour, then mixing it well so that there is no lump in it, and then I'll be adding the remaining half and then mixing it so that there are no lump formation and it's easy for me to mix. You can, if you want, you can divide it into 3 halves and then mix according to your convenience. So this is a very simple pound cake where you can use very less ingredients which is easily available at home. This is dry desiccated coconut powder. I have used half cup of desiccated coconut. Add this in the end and give a nice mix. And when all the ingredients blend well, that's the time we have to bake it. Before baking, preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then you can start your baking procedure. Using healthy flour instead of traditional maida is a very good option, and this is an excellent treat which you can have without being guilty. Now I am pouring the batter in a greased pan. After the entire procedure, I'll be baking this for 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Do keep checking your cake after every 30 minutes. Now you can see the perfect brown color on top. You can pick it with the toothpick and see if the batter is sticking to the toothpick. That means you need to bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes and so on. And when the batter is not sticking to your toothpick, that means that your cake is absolutely ready. So now let's demold it after cooling it for half an hour. So to demold, just pat it gently by turning it upside down and you get a cake like this. Your very healthy and delicious pound cake is ready. Lemon pound cake will be a healthy variant for your regular pound cake. And because of the lemon flavor, the cake feels very fresh and it's very nice to have it. And you can see, even using healthy flour, you can make cake very easily at home and you can eat it without any guilt. And they have perfect crumbs. I have linked the ingredients which I have used in this recipe in the description box. Please go through it, and if you are interested, do make a purchase with it.
I hope you liked the recipe and you found it interesting. If you found it interesting, do try it and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and
Happy Christmas and Happy New Year,
everyone. Bye.